Electricity Part 2, and I am your Madhav Rudra Ganesh. This is class 10th Science Electricity Part 2. Okay, please subscribe my channel and like and share to your friends. Please give us support. Okay friends, let's go into the topic. Potential difference. See here, you have heard in your life potential word. From 6th class we are listening potential word. So what is potential? It is an work we have potential work, potential energy, like that so many names we have with potential. But we are today learning the about the topic is potential difference. So the symbol to represent the potential difference is V. Okay friends, now let's go to the definition of potential difference. See here, work done to move a unit charge from one point to another means if a unit charge moving from one point to another in a wire, a unit charges. So how much work done will happen when it moving? So that is called potential difference. Okay friends? Now see here, the formula of potential difference equals to work by charge. Work by charge is the formula of potential difference. So we can write this in symbols also. See, V is potential difference, W means work and charge means Q. So let's see these SI units of these symbols. For work, SI unit is joules. For charge, SI unit is C, current. And for this one, potential difference SI unit is volt V. So V equals to J by C is the also a formula. Joules by current equals to volt. Now I will tell you about the SI unit of this potential difference and about the voltmeter also. Okay friends, now I will tell you the SI unit of potential difference. What is SI unit of potential difference? Is volt. Volt. So the volt also have a symbol to represent is also a V. So let's see what is 1 volt. 1 volt. When 1 joule work is done is carrying 1 coulomb charge, then potential difference is called 1 volt. Means I can explain this is in a formula. See, V means volt equals to joule by coulomb. This coulomb is SI unit of charge. Okay. Means this 1 joule work done is carrying the coulomb. This joule is carrying this coulomb. In this formula you can see. So we can use these formulas in these numericals of like these questions. Now I will tell you some more points of volt. Okay friends, I will tell you 2 more points about the volt. See here. The cell or battery are the devices to maintain V. V means volt. Means the cell or battery are must and should to be there in that device to work. Okay. And another thing, the potential difference is measured by the voltmeter. I have told you what is potential difference. So how much work done will happen, that will measured by the voltmeter in our house. Now I will tell you about the voltmeter. Okay friends, now I will tell you about the voltmeter. So in part 1 I have tell you ammeter. For ammeter also I have told you a symbol like a. Let's find out. So this is the symbol of ammeter. But in this voltmeter also we have symbol C, V plus minus. So like ammeter also we have symbol for voltmeter. Before I have told you the V symbol, that is for only volt. That is symbol of only volt. Okay. So this voltmeter has high resistance. I have told you what is resistance. The resistance is which measure the flow of current in an electric circuit. So this wattmeter has high resistance and it always connected to parallel. How it will connect, I will tell you to parallel in this electric circuit. See, this is an electric circuit, this is bulb, this is battery, and this is a switch. So if we on the switch, the bulb will glow. Yes. So here we have bulb. So we will keep wattmeter to parallel to bulb. See how? Like this. At which side we have place in the battery? So that side we should keep same plus symbol on that side only. The plus symbol is on left, so I kept it on left, and minus symbol is on right, and I kept it on right. And the current, from which direction it will flow? The current. The current will flow in the higher potential to lower potential. Here in battery, what is higher potential? Yeah, plus, and this is lower potential. So the current direction will be from this side. See, from higher potential it will travel. So this is current direction. This is current direction. So, and it will go and like this. So this is the current direction. I kept here arrow C. So from higher potential to lower potential it will travel the current. So this is the class part 2 of electricity. So please subscribe the channel and like and share it to your friends and give support. And please tell how is the class in the comment. Okay friends.